Hey guys, and what's up TFS? It's your girl FunSize here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's fun creation is all about building an ottoman from scratch. So let's jump into this video.
I got it, and you gon' respect it. Ain't nothing gonna stop me from making it happen. So baby, if they ask it, tell them.
Okay guys, so the first thing we need to do is to take our power drill, and we want to pre-drill 3 holes into the left side and the right side of our lumber. It's easier to do it all together as one, or you can do each board individually. Also, I wanted to be sure to inform you guys, if you're not into all those YouTube videos that does a lot of talking, then you might want to just hurry up and skip to the end, because I'm pretty sure this video is going to be me just breaking down the project step by step for you.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right.
Okay, what you guys see me doing here is adding the dust collector onto the lumber. I'm going to show you guys 2 different ways that you can cut your dust collector to make it easier for you.
Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way.
Now TFS, this next step is where you grab your spray adhesive to make sure your dackering adheres to your lumber the correct way. However, I recommend that you wait until after you've already added on your fabric and your batting before you add on the dust collector. The reason you see mine currently is because I started off with my project in a different design, and then I transitioned into another design in the middle of the project. So when you're adding on your dust collector, just be sure to smooth out everything so there's no air bubbles. And you want your lumber to have at least about 1 inch or 2 of extra dackering so your cover can actually go around the sides as well.
Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
Once that's completed, start doing a dry fit before you completely start your assembly process, because the worst thing during a project is to glue everything and screw everything just to have to turn around and take it all the way apart again. Now what you see me using here is project foam. The foam is used when you want your ottoman to have more density. So I'm going to actually get the measurements of the ottoman, transfer it onto the foam, and then once that's completed, I'm going to cut it out and stick it directly to the project itself. However, this way is optional, and you can do it another way by just putting the foam directly onto the box and then cutting off any excess that may be around the edges.
Speak out, girl, no one can shut you down. Try and make you feel out of place. Don't you let them. You gotta speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind.
Next, we're adding on some batting. I actually let my godson record, so the footage is a little shaky, but we are not going to trip. This is the spray adhesive I'm using, and this is also the second way that I said you guys can actually take the foam and do it directly without actually worrying about the measurement. And this is how it all turns out once you cut off the excess over the top. Now guys, if you're really team FunSize, then you know which store we're in. We are in Joann's, and we are picking out our fabric. But before we get to the fabric, we need to make us a top to go over top of our ottoman. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the base. We're going to get some foam, we're going to add on our batting with the spray adhesive, and we're going to go from there. Now guys, I didn't really get any footage of me doing the top lid of the ottoman, but you guys already know when it comes to doing fabric, you're going to pull tight and staple down. Now that the top is completed, we still have the bottom half of our ottoman to do. So the 4 pieces that we seen earlier, I'm going to take those 4 pieces and I'm going to create a hem, allowing these pieces to connect and become one. So you guys just see me up there in my little office, okay, getting the job done. This was also my first time trying this out, so I was super excited to see how this look came out. Okay, look at that, fun workouts, checking me out on the gram. But guys, you see our 4 pieces, they're connected. It's all coming down. That's one side for us completed and stitched together. We have a second side that's already stitched together for us. It's supposed to be 4 pieces, so we have the 4th side. Whenever it decides to come around, there we go. We have our 4th side, and then we have the 5th side, which is our last side. Well, you know, the 4th side. However, my counting just went out of sync. But now that we have that completed, I'm going to take it back downstairs and lay it across our ottoman to see how it came out.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn.
Once everything is stapled and pulled down into place, you want to grab your lid and have it match with your bottom area. The dust collector is to cover up all of the open staples on the ottoman, and you're just going to use some spray adhesive to cover that up, so no worries. Now what you see is the hinges and the wheels. These are also optional, but it makes your project easier for mobility. And there we have it, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram at _FunSize Creations. Leave me some comments down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video too. And learn to love yourself before learning to love anyone else. Later for now, guys.
This girl, you gotta let 'em know.